Pakistan emerged on the map in 1947. It was a result of the partition of British India. The new country was created for Muslims in South Asia. This was a time of great hope and also great turmoil. Millions of people migrated across the newly drawn borders. Muhammad Ali Jinnah became Pakistan's first leader. He is known as the Quaid-e-Azam, meaning great leader. Jinnah was a strong advocate for a separate Muslim state. His leadership was crucial in these early years. The partition led to violence and displacement. Many lives were lost. This event still casts a shadow on the relationship between Pakistan and India. Despite the challenges, Pakistan started its journey as an independent nation. Pakistan faced many challenges after independence. One of the biggest was establishing a stable government. The country also had to deal with economic issues and the integration of refugees. Jinnah died in 1948. His death was a huge loss for the young nation. He was succeeded by Liaquat Ali Khan, who became the first prime minister. Khan played a key role in shaping Pakistan's early policies. In 1956, Pakistan adopted its first constitution. This established the country as an Islamic republic. However, political instability continued to plague Pakistan. Coups and periods of martial law became recurring themes. Despite the challenges, Pakistan made some progress in its early years. The country developed its infrastructure and institutions. It also began to establish its place in the international community. Pakistan's history has been marked by conflicts. The most significant of these were the wars with India in 1965 and 1971. The 1965 war was a stalemate. However, the 1971 war resulted in the separation of East Pakistan, which became Bangladesh. These wars had a profound impact on Pakistan. They led to military takeovers and political instability. The loss of East Pakistan was a national tragedy. It also forced Pakistan to re-evaluate its policies and priorities. Beyond the wars with India, Pakistan has also been involved in other conflicts. These include the Afghan War in the 1980s and the War on Terror following the 9/11 attacks. These conflicts have had a lasting impact on Pakistan's security and foreign policy. The experience of war has shaped Pakistan's national identity. It has also highlighted the importance of peace and stability for the country's progress. In response to India's nuclear program, Pakistan developed its own nuclear weapons in the 1990s. This made Pakistan the world's seventh nuclear power. The move was met with mixed reactions internationally. Pakistan's nuclear program has been a source of both pride and concern. On the one hand, it is seen as a deterrent against external aggression. On the other hand, it has raised concerns about regional stability and the potential for nuclear proliferation. Pakistan maintains that its nuclear program is purely for defensive purposes. The country has taken steps to ensure the safety and security of its nuclear assets. Pakistan has also played an active role in international efforts to promote nuclear non-proliferation. The nuclear issue remains a defining feature of Pakistan's security policy. It will continue to shape the country's relationship with the international community, particularly with India. Section 5. Society in Flux, Cultural and Social Change. Pakistani society has undergone significant changes since independence. The country has witnessed urbanization, industrialization, and the growth of a middle class. These changes have had a profound impact on social norms and values. Education has played a key role in social change. Literacy rates have steadily increased over the years. More women are now entering the workforce. However, challenges remain in terms of access to quality education, particularly in rural areas. The media has also played a transformative role. The rise of private television channels and social media has given people greater access to information and diverse viewpoints. This has contributed to a more informed and engaged citizenry. Despite facing social and economic challenges, Pakistan has a vibrant culture. From its music and art to its cuisine and traditions, Pakistan offers a rich tapestry of cultural expressions. Section 6. From Dictatorship to Democracy, a Rocky Road. Pakistan's political landscape has been marked by periods of both military rule and democratic transitions. The country has experienced several military coups, which have interrupted democratic processes. However, there has been a growing desire for democratic governance in Pakistan. The country has witnessed the rise of civil society organizations and a more vocal media. These actors have played a crucial role in holding leaders accountable. The transition to democracy has been a gradual and often challenging process. Electoral reforms and strengthening institutions are crucial for consolidating democratic values. Despite the challenges, Pakistan has made strides towards a more democratic future. The resilience of Pakistan's people and their commitment to democracy offer hope for a more stable and prosperous future. Section 7. Economic progress and challenges. Pakistan has faced economic challenges throughout its history. Poverty, inequality, and a lack of infrastructure have been persistent problems. However, the country has also made significant economic progress in recent decades. Pakistan has seen growth in its textile, agriculture, and information technology sectors. The country has also attracted foreign investment. However, challenges such as corruption and a lack of diversification need to be addressed. The government has implemented economic reforms aimed at promoting growth and creating jobs. These reforms focus on improving infrastructure, enhancing the investment climate, and promoting education and skills development. Addressing economic challenges is crucial for Pakistan's long-term stability and prosperity. By investing in its people and creating a business-friendly environment, Pakistan can unlock its economic potential. Section 8. Pakistan on the world stage: Diplomacy and Relations. Pakistan has played an active role in international affairs since its independence. The country is a member of the United Nations and other international organizations. Pakistan has also been a key ally in the fight against terrorism. Pakistan's foreign policy has been shaped by its strategic location and its relationship with neighboring countries. The country has sought to maintain a balance in its relations with major powers. Pakistan has been a vocal advocate for the rights of Muslim countries. The country has also played a role in mediating regional conflicts. Pakistan's diplomatic efforts have contributed to peace and stability in the region. As a responsible member of the international community, Pakistan continues to engage in dialogue and cooperation to address global challenges. Section 9. Looking ahead: Challenges and Opportunities. Pakistan stands at a critical juncture in its history. The country faces both challenges and opportunities. Addressing issues such as poverty, terrorism, and political instability will be crucial for Pakistan's future. However, Pakistan also possesses the potential to become a prosperous and influential nation. The country has a young and growing population, a strategic location, and a rich cultural heritage. By investing in education, promoting tolerance, and fostering a culture of innovation, Pakistan can overcome its challenges and achieve its full potential. The future of Pakistan lies in the hands of its people, who have the determination and resilience to shape a brighter tomorrow.